All right, we got a beautiful Wildwood right here. Incredible. Heated and closed underbelly, LED lighting, outdoor kitchen to die for, solid steps, 4-season package, 2 bedrooms, 2 ACs. Wait till you see this stuff. I'm not even kidding. Look at this. Look at this. OMG. No, no, no. Don't do this to me. Woo! This is so nice. Look at all this. There is a lot going on in this trailer. Look at this Fireplace TV. This is super cold. And then look at this. Your own private bedroom, free shipping, free delivery. We do a great job inspecting these trailers. This is a beauty.